I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very basic question on absolute value. The question is, arrange the following in the order from least to greatest. Right? It's a very interesting question also. So we have absolute value of pi, absolute value of minus 2 pi, absolute value of pi by 2, minus absolute value of pi by 2, minus absolute value of pi by 3, minus 3 pi. We need to arrange all these numbers from least to greatest, right? That is your exercise. You can pause the video and answer the question. Now let's think about it. So if it is a positive value, let me write them as their absolute values, right? So this one will be pi for us, correct? This one, absolute value is always positive, so this will be minus 2 pi, correct? How about this? So this is pi by 2, that is right. This value is minus is outside, so this is minus pi by 2. Here also minus is outside, so it will be minus pi by 3. And here also minus is outside, so we'll write minus 3 pi. So once you get all these values, you know which one is the largest and which one is the smallest amongst these, right? So the largest value we can start writing is the very first one. So amongst the positive values, this is the largest value. So let me write pi here to begin with. So that is my first value. So I've taken care of this one, correct? Now pi by 2 is my next positive value, smaller than this. So I can write this value as absolute pi by 2, which comes next, right? Now as I move towards the left side, I'm getting into the negative numbers, and amongst the negative numbers, this is plus, right? So this is correction. Minus 2 pi should be positive, so that is the largest value. Okay, so minus 2 pi, I should write this to the rightmost. Okay, good. So we just got it. Oh, good job. So these three are negative values for us. So amongst these three, this is the most negative, right? So this is the most negative. So we can write this as minus 3 pi on the leftmost side. So we've taken care of that one. And out of these two, so when you divide by a bigger number, you get a smaller number, right? So this is closer to 0. So we get this number here, which is minus pi by 3. Is it okay? And then we're left with this number, which is minus absolute value of pi by 2, right? This is that value. So that is how you could actually arrange your values from least to greatest, right? So at times there could be mistakes, as we just found one. So be careful with such questions. They seem to be simple, but there is a possibility of making an error. So look at them very carefully. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.